I think I'll take a little trip, go down south to the Mississippi. Yeah, that's where the wind is blowing, that's where I'm going. Got me a flask and tobacco packed, everything thrown on my back. Gonna get away from it all, gonna have a fucking ball. Yes, I'm traveling. Look at me go. Don't gotta worry about having a job. Gonna eat me some corn on the cob. Drink till I pass out in the night, and I'll feel alright. Wake up with a swig of scotch, roll over and scratch my crotch. Then I'll get back on the path. It's good to be free at last. But oh no, where to go when I've traveled so far and I'm carrying that load? Well, oh no, where to go when I'm looking at those forks at the end of the road? Well, I took myself a little trip. I went down south to the Mississippi. Broke my jaw and I broke my hip. Ah, it was hell. Tried to get me a ride to hitch, but wound up unconscious in a ditch. My head hurt like a son of a bitch. Oh, don't you know? Well, you'll never know if you don't go, right? Well, I did. My trip wasn't what I thought it would be. I went to bed under a tree. I woke up to a hobo pissing on me. Oh, it was hell. Now I'm out here on my own, a skinny, worn-out bag of bones. I miss my mama and I miss my home. Oh, don't you know? But oh no, where to go when I've traveled so far and I'm carrying that load? Oh no, where to go when I'm looking at those forks at the end of the road? Look at me. Look at me.